so it looks like Jorge Masvidal revealed some details on how he's planning to handle the court case with Colby Covington. He recently had this meeting with the Nevada State Athletic Commission, and he was just there to discuss postponing his license application because of these legal proceedings he has going on with Colby. And when they were discussing, postponing his license, they also asked him if he had been arrested recently. He actually said no to that. He also said no, he didn't believe he'd been charged with anything. But what was interesting in that whole conversation was when he referenced the whole situation with Colby, he said he got into like mutual combat with a fellow athlete. So yeah, that phrase mutual combat, apparently it's under like Florida law. If both parties agree to fight or get into like an altercation, there won't be any like repercussions apparently. That's not exactly it, but you guys kind of get the idea. If both parties are consenting to fight, then there won't be any legal proceedings afterwards. So I guess that's the route Masvidal is trying to take because of all the threats him and Colby made back and forth. They both did kind of say, if they see each other, it's on site. So, but those were just for the cameras, and at the same time, Masvidal sucker punched him, so there was definitely no consent there. And now we know that like Bob Maneri, dude from the Nelk podcast, he was like setting the whole situation up. So definitely, it didn't seem like mutual consent from how the whole situation is being told right now. But we'll see if Masvidal can find this loophole and get out of this situation. Next, we got a quick update on Jon Jones, who's kind of been in limbo for the past 2 years. He last fought against Dominic Reyes. Before that, it was Thiago Santos. And a lot of people thought he lost his fight against Reyes. So he made some comments here kind of saying light heavyweights in the past, and he's more focused on the heavyweight championship now. So here's the first tweet. I've been imagining it for over 2 years now. I genuinely believe winning this heavyweight championship is in my destiny. It's already been written. I just need to keep my nose in the dirt for now and keep working. Everything else will take care of itself. A fan tweeted at him saying, but imagine recapturing that light heavyweight title again. And Jones responded saying, my candle for light heavyweight blew out. It showed in my last fight. Instead of being discouraged by a bad performance, I'm stoked about this new season. New energy. My time at light heavyweight was over. I see that more clear today than ever. So let me know what you guys think about his comments. Those last fights in light heavyweight, definitely weren't his best. He still did win the championship there, and you could make that argument that, that you got to take it to the champion and take the belt from him. You can't just, outpoint him. So it'll be interesting to see if Jon Jones actually does get a matchup at heavyweight this year and who he actually faces. Is he going to just go straight for the title shot and they'll set up that mega fight with Ngannou and him? Are they going to put him against Cyril Gane or something else? We'll have to see how it all plays out. I guess it also really depends on how Ngannou plays this whole situation out too. So let me know who you guys want to see the next matchup with. Who do you want to see Jones go up against? Last up on the news train, we got some more news on Colby Covington. So just a quick update here. He finally revealed a photo of himself after the whole altercation at the restaurant, after getting sucker punched. And it looks like, his face didn't take too much damage. He does look like there is a slight mark under his eye. Can't really see any damage on the teeth. It looks pretty good. There were some reports coming out, saying Colby's health was declining. He's not doing well from, people like Chael Sonnen and people close to him, but clearly he's doing fine. This photo's from like a sponsorship for Bang Energy, so he's doing all right. Let me know what you guys think about this whole situation with Colby Masvidal and how Masvidal's trying to take that, mutual combat route. Does he have any, valid argument there? Thinks he's gonna find the loophole? Comment that down below. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one.